Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla bak polling do ubalong ru no aiktian jong ke Sarkar MDA haka ar penyutri ujili or hajab san ulaong baka Jingaipor ginong di madan ban ken riak no anak kendai lat segidukan baladap ban penchna ke Sarkar kalakun bat minta ke an kan sele la ka jong ke Kamram kat kum ke jing thu jong bak pol ke Sarkar kaladap ban pha yakin notice ling ba ka town vending committee seginong di madan kumba saus pangut ginong di madan la dap ban ithu hadien balajet bat bisyar banyak bin pa bin kat kum ki kendon kani ke jing thu jong Pol kalong hadian bang Sarkar kala penmi ya kajing penpena haka arpui trik ujili or hajab san ba ka mala ka bahasa Jong jong ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority la itu kum ka vending zone ba de ka surok ba jude jing die da kinong de madan hakandai lat la penpena kum ka no vending zone la ni ka jaka bom la shu pandang shong di jing die.
Yeah, notices have been sent. All under the town vending committee, about 400 vendors have been identified after going through a rigorous procedure of identification and selection. And we also are aware that the problem of street vending has led to several daily discomfort and inconvenience to people using the streets of Shillong. And the roads of Shillong are not for just one category of users. Our deadline has already expired. Now, whether they move or not, it is immaterial. They have been given alternative spaces, whether they accept or not, because nobody can dictate that this is my right, because you also have, apart from motorists, apart from vendors, you also have pedestrians. They don't form associations, they don't go to court. Why should they be denied their right?
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya, your story starts here.